All stunts performed by or during the Stay Smiling videos are performed by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Some video is AI and filmed in Mexico. Please don't attempt to reenact or recreate any of the stunts seen in this film.
What do we got going on here, Jake?
Bunch of maintenance that has not been dealt with, and it's no longer maintenance anymore. It's broken problems.
Full restoration.
Yeah. Neglect.
Imagine if you didn't do it, like, it's like the same age as you, so if you didn't do any maintenance on you for the last 25 years, you'd probably be clapped out too.
My teeth would be rotting out of my face.
Yeah.
It's a fucking another bullshit day working on shit for free. Oh no, dude. Sensual Jane. Just kind of got a fucking work.
What, you broke your CD?
Yeah.
That's weird. I was actually thinking to watch that.
Fresh engine mount in there.
Do we have a front coming?
Yes.
Who's bringing it?
Matt Wyatt.
Maddie?
Yeah.
She's coming back?
No, I can't put that in the YouTube.
She made it. I hope she punches your fucking lights out. I'm not a stunt bagger biker guy.
What are we doing now?
Oh, he's just putting his compensator back together, but
Oh.
Trying to
make sure you
What, red Loctite?
a little dab of red's not going to hurt you, because if you need to get it off, you can eat it, but you don't want it coming loose, so you're good. Copy.
We're rebuilding Jake's bike all in one day. Rome wasn't built in a day, but Jake's bike was. Are you forgetting something?
Your chain?
The entire stator?
Yay.
Smart.
Yay.
Where did it go?
Side.
Do you have that tool?
No.
No.
We're gonna have to find it.
That's it? Just a no? Just a no? Sorry, I'm not gonna get it for you.
You know what else you all also did that I'm just realizing?
What?
You need to put the chain on. It's a one piece maneuver.
You know what? I've only ever done this maybe 15 times before. But we figure it out as we go.
That's not gonna work. I'm gonna teach you, boy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this in.
That is
It's a balancing act.
certified Red Seal technician.
He's a brown seal. He's a brown seal guy. We had him for a disturbingly cheap rate. He details exhaust systems.
So good. Anybody want a thunder header?
Gives him the show all that.
$400. I know what I got.
I know what I've got.
No lowballers. Is that Jesse Ryan? Holy fuck, you got it on.
Got it on.
Did you put red Loctite on it?
Yeah.
Again?
Just a dab.
Just a dab.
I like to run extra.
3 microns.
I thought you were gonna do a dab.
To run extra on the tight.
I thought you were gonna Fortnite it up. You don't even have to worry about squeezing your clutch. It just has no engagement.
This isn't directional, is it? I don't think so.
You'll find out.
Remember when you put this in backwards
Yeah.
and it exploded? And here you are making fun of me.
Listen here.
I suck at that.
I got a different starter than you do. I know how to work on late
How the
models.
fuck does this work? I've never taken this out before.
Just like that.
Like that?
Yeah, but
Go deeper.
you probably maybe Have to do something. Supercross! Super duper cross. What are you working on, Brian?
CVO stuff. I don't know, one of those should work. What do I want this for?
To YouTube.
Fucking talking shit.
It's at least 20 foot-pounds.
Whoa. Don't pull, don't jerk it. That's what it is. Give it a side load. Too close.
Oh! Good for 200 foot-pounds.
Add a little more.
You added a little more?
I had a little more.
Oh, yeah.
You can only make it click if you can pull the torque. So it's kind of one of those things, you are disqualified if you slip. Right? So the contest is who can pull the fucking wrench. Well, hey, you slipped, now your tooth is all chipped and you fucking wish you never met it. But you never made it click, so you didn't fucking win.
That's a pretty good fucking YouTube video, I
It
think.
would be totally good to get a bunch of fucking monkeys in a row, just fucking yard amount of torque wrench.
You already know who I'm inviting for my team. No.
I'd like to use a metric 15.
The only nice piece on Jake's bike right now. And it's inside of
Fuck,
it.
I haven't even seen that before. That looks pretty stinking cool, doesn't it? I can't believe I paid $5,000 for that. That is fucked. I hate myself sometimes. It's on the ground now.
Well, you got oil on the ground. Brian's gonna give you a pee-pee slap.
Okay.
Gear stopper thing. What are you trying to do?
We're gonna measure the run out.
Well, you're not doing that without pulling the cam.
That's what we're doing.
Well, you're gonna pull it all the way back?
Yeah, we may as well.
Only problem is that you're gonna have to get all your torque specs and everything of this before you even. I don't know, boys. I think that.
Nice hammer. Dude. Is there not... Smoked. I've seen worse, but she ain't good. Are you gonna do a nice unboxing video of your new engine mount?
No.
Oh yeah. Hey, you missed a spot.
Where? Actually?
right here.
Fuck off.
Here. You know what's super awesome, Jake? Is you just put 2 fresh engine mounts in your bike, and you're gonna go ride it, and it's gonna be the best feeling bike you've ever ridden.
I hope so.
Once we straighten out your handlebars. He likes to ride with his handlebars on a 45-degree angle from his front tire.
That's what I'm used to.
Well, that way when you're drifting left, your handlebars are straight.
I'm already countersteering.
It's already sort of drifting.
It's 500 bucks.
Shad,
Yes, Brian.
yellow or white?
What do you mean?
So these are the new signals.
Don't look at them.
No, they're pretty bright. But if I go,
The yellow, not orange.
well, that's your turn signal.
Oh,
If I go with the yellow, it's just a yellow turn signal.
that's way better. What color is your bike gonna be?
Gray?
It's already gray.
Yeah, I know.
You're just gonna change it to another color of gray?
One shade lighter.
Are you serious?
It's like cloud gray with a little bit of metallic.
I hope you're not serious.
Dude, it's fucking dark. It's dark gray. It's called Dravite. Dravite.
Why are you painting your bike gray?
Because I couldn't think of any other color.
Look at the walls in your shop.
I know, but there's lots of shiny parts going on it, and gray's fucking good. Gray stays forever.
What color are you going with?
Chinese. Going with Chinese. It just makes more sense to fucking do it with the Chinese color. But it just doesn't make any fucking sense to me here. When everything's gotta fit so fucking shitty.
Should have just kept it OEM.
Probably, it's better light. Better light, everyone's doing it.
It needs more lights. Like
lights, Chad.
10 underglows.
I can't fucking see, Chad.
10,
Fucking eyes are fucked.
10
So I need
underglows.
the fucking boo-ha style lights that aren't made by a fucking pervert. There's sharks in it.
That's a pretty good bolt.
No.
Today is the day that Jake is gonna put things back together straight, torqued to spec.
The first time ever.
I mean, you got the Harley neck tattoo, so you're basically certified.
Red seal.
Nobody's gonna see it coming, and Jake's gonna come back this summer with the nicest early model.
Yeah.
Now go. You get, dude, I meant like roll the bike off.
Yeah, this fucking great.
Cream the CVO. Dude, it's like really clean. Like the black is pretty black. What? You got no neck bearings?
Yeah. Never felt that before. Feel them.
Good one. At least your fucking single disc 39 mil easy to do job. Jesus Christ. Where are you going? There's a whole CVO of tins behind you.
Fucking hate me.
Oh yeah. Good call.